infinity. From silence coded deep in stone, the pulse awakens not alone. And I low breath, I'm mirrored doom. Time bends inward, seals the room. Drums don't start, they remember. Fire sleeps inside the ember. Step by step, the circuit breathes. Sidechain light between the beats. No emotion wasted here. Hypnotic machine, crystal clear. Hands move slow, the body obeys. The system bends our ways. Fragments talking broken tones. Granular ghosts in calm mind bones. Errors teach the mind to fly. Chaos stings before it tries. Every skip a hidden truth. Future age with digital youth. Concrete veins, 8-weight dress with jewel chains. Dark reflections kiss the snare. Street like smoke fills the air. No escape but no collapse. Infinity lives in the gaps. Past stretch that's wide, the clock dissolves. Harmony open, slowly revolves. Gravity loosens, no suspend. The beginning melts into end. No up, no down, just flow. Time forgets what a gate knows. Pressure, then release. Steelers how to breathe in peace. Guitars crack, no memory smear. Motion sharp, velocity clear. Not rage, not calm, but potion. A human machine, eruption. Reverse wings pull the sky apart. Every sound a beating heart. The drop this keys denied delay. Power grows in what's not played. This is it, beyond the fall. Anthem hits, the time stays locked. Boss never wait, the crowd is shocked. Kicks align, reflections bite. Eternal now, no end in sight. Drag it once, loop it twice. Pressure tuned to perfect price. Go smoke when the time not in. The future dances with the grin. Move warp space, snatch it back. Joy rise, a pressure track. Smile survives the overload. Whispered echoes call my name. Same phrase looping, never the same. Send me low, don't let it land. The motion held in trembling hands.